I would like to conclude with a deep section that shows how that lost relationship between the ground and the underground can be restored and how this proposal can contribute. As I briefly mentioned earlier, there was a web of branch watercourses from Tancheon that is now buried underneath. Urban water table has been dropping ever since the urbanization like the intermodal transit center that requires excavating to minus 56 meter. This waterfront will function as one system to mitigate the water deficit and pollution problem the site already has, and supposed to only get worse, as well as bringing back the lost lifestyle. So when it rains, the collected rainwater from the roofs of the surrounding buildings and from the roads will flow into the wetlands cascade and to the permeable soil strata of the forest so that the velocity of runoff would be significantly reduced. Wetlands and the sand cones with the aerators will capture the pollutants and clean the runoff water as well. The collected and cleaned water can be stored for dry season or infiltrated into the permeable layer of underground. Continuous sand sedimentation will facilitate natural purification process. The bridge will also be a part of the water system by storing the cleaned runoff and discharge it during dry season for multiple usages. There is already a plan of installing recharge wells deep into the aquifer in order to artificially maintain the water table level, and tap water will be poured into to make up the groundwater leakage caused by the construction of the intermodal transit center. We have to consider all those actors and events in a holistic way, as if Mother Nature would. Revealing Sand Dynamics proposes to rely more on the resiliency of nature and ready to be plugged into any future regional water management strategy. We propose to revive the lost sandy landscape and to create the unprecedented ambience at the center of Seoul. We believe this can be the touchstone project of Seoul and Korea that shows our advocacy and contribution on mitigating the climate change to the world as well. Thank you. 감사합니다.